Tesla CEO Elon Musk has tempered expectations for the company's humanoid robot Optimus, emphasizing that initial production will ramp up slowly, despite recent progress on the manufacturing line. In a July 1st reply on X, Musk responded to optimistic community speculation by stating, "No, Optimus production will be extremely slow at first, as everything is new. This is not like making a car." The comment came in response to a post theorizing that Tesla had accelerated Optimus V3 development and might soon unveil an impressive demonstration with multiple units already in meaningful production. Musk's clarification highlights the fundamental differences between scaling a novel humanoid robot and Tesla's established automotive operations, which benefit from over a century of refined supply chains, tooling, and processes. Recent updates showed tangible advancement. Musk shared a photo of himself walking the Optimus production line at Fremont, where Tesla is converting former Model SX manufacturing space. According to Q1 2026 earnings commentary, limited production is slated to begin in late July or August 2026 on this converted line. Tesla Optimus project fires up as Musk sees production line progress. Musk previously noted that Optimus features roughly 10,000 unique parts, making early output rates literally impossible to predict, and describing them as quite slow. A larger dedicated factory at Giga, Texas is under construction, targeting higher volume production around summer 2027, with long-term annual capacity potentially reaching millions of units. Some experts point out that pioneering humanoid robotics demands inventing new automation techniques, actuator supply chains, and quality control standards in real time. Unlike vehicles, where components and assembly methods are mature, every element of Optimus, from dexterous hands to AI-integrated movement, requires fresh engineering solutions. Early units are expected to handle simple factory tasks before expanding to more complex roles. This cautious approach aligns with Tesla's history of under-promising and over-delivering on complex technologies. While enthusiasts hoped for rapid deployment, Musk's message underscores a deliberate strategy: prioritize reliability and iterative improvement over rushed volume. Analysts suggest the S-curve ramp typical of new manufacturing will eventually accelerate once foundational issues are resolved, positioning Optimus as a potential trillion-dollar product line. Musk has long envisioned Optimus transforming labor markets, assisting in homes, factories, and hazardous environments. By setting realistic timelines, Tesla aims to build sustainable momentum rather than risk disappointment. As the Fremont line comes online this summer, investors and fans will watch closely for the first production metrics and capability demonstrations. Source: reposted and summarized from Joey Klender at teslarati.